Regular cleaning helps extend the lifespan of the ice maker. First, plug in the machine. The machine will enter standby mode. Ensure the right side hose is properly positioned. Add the cleaning agent to the water reservoir as per the recommended ratio. Press and hold the timer button for 5 seconds to activate the self-cleaning mode. The machine will fill with water to a certain level and begin the cleaning cycle. Wait for the self-cleaning process to finish, after which it will return to standby mode. Unplug the hose to drain the water from the reservoir. Reattach the hose to the reservoir. Activate the cleaning mode again to start the cleaning cycle. After cleaning, wipe down the interior walls of the ice maker. Deep clean the machine when it shows dirt or will be unused for a long time. In addition to routine cleaning, turn off the power and clean the distribution pipe and water reservoir. Remove the 2 screws behind the top cover and take off the top cover. Detach the distribution pipe. Clean the distribution pipe and the countertop. Reinstall the distribution pipe, ensuring each hole faces down to prevent water from splashing during the next use. Unscrew the screws around the water reservoir and remove it. Use a clean brush to scrub the interior of the water reservoir. After cleaning, reinstall the water reservoir. Wipe down the interior of the ice maker. Leave the door open for ventilation to allow it to dry completely before closing.